Question number 4. There are 11 cartons of apple juice. Divide them into groups of 3. How many groups are there and how many apple juice are left? So I want you to try this on your own first, and I'll show you the answers in 2 seconds. There, when we put them in groups of 3, so this is the first group, second group, third group. So we have 3 groups here, and there, 2 apple juice are left. So please turn to page 6, the top part of page 6, question number 5. There are 17 bottles of watermelon juice. Put 4 into each bag. How many bags are there? So once again, we try to circle the watermelon juice in groups of 4 this time, and we try to see how many circles, like how many groups do we have, and then how many bottles of watermelon juice are left. So once again, try this on your own first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags here, and 1 bottle is left. Here comes the classwork. Question number 1. There are 10 shuttlecock. This is for badminton, for playing badminton. Divide them into sets of 2. How many sets are there? So that means we need to group them in groups of 2. So try this out on your own first. So there, when we put them in groups of 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets in total. And there's no remaining. Question number 2. There are 19 popsicles. Put 8 into each box. How many boxes are there? How many popsicles are left? So this time we need to put them like in groups of 8. So I want you to try this out on your own first. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 popsicles in one group. And then another 8 in the second group. So we have 2 boxes here. And we have 1, 2, 3. 3 popsicles are left. 7. The top part of page 7, we have harder problem. Mom wants to divide 20 bottles of milk equally into bags with no bottles left. So we do not want any bottles remaining. How many different ways are there to do this? So first of all, I want you to try this on your own first. Really pause the video, try to think about it, and then play the video again, and then I'll tell you the answers. So one way to do this is to put 2 bottles into each bag. How many bottles are left? So if we put 2 bottles in each bag, we actually have 10 bags, and with no bottles remaining. What about if we put 3 bottles into each bag? How many bottles are left? There, we have 6 bags with 2 bottles remaining. So this is not one of the options that we want, because we want no bottles left. So are there other ways to do this? Yes, of course. there are actually other ways. So the next number that we will try is to group the bottles of milk in groups of 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 in one bag. So in total we have 5 bags, and with no bottles remaining. So that's what we want. And there's actually another way. We can group them in groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bottles in one bag. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags or 4 groups. Also, another way would be to put 10 bottles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bottles in one bag. So here in total we have 2 bags here, again with no bottles left. So this is what we want. So there, we can group them in groups of 4 bottles, 5 bottles, and 10 bottles into each bag with no bottles remaining. Okay. So the homework for today will be PME page 20 to 21. So question number 1 to 4, super easy. You just did the same thing for your workbook, plus this is actually color printing, so it will be much easier for you to see. And question 5, part A, you shouldn't have problem with it. Part B, you just have to separate into dollars and into cents. And also for part C, once again, you separate the notes and coins into dollars and cents. So this $2, and then this one cents, this one cents as well. For questions 6 to 10, you just have to do the skip counting for the smaller value coins or notes. Let's say for question number 9, you do the skip counting for $20 notes. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. There, the $100 notes has the value of 100. So for question 11, one $10 coin and 3 $2 coin. So you have to find the total value for this first. So we have one $10, and this is the first $2 coin, the second $2 coin, and we do have a third $2 coin. There, the total value for this part would be $16. And right now you need to exchange for the 50 cents. So I won't do all the skip counting for you, but I'll just show you how to start. So we have 50 cents. And the next one will be $1. And the next one, so here 1 50 cents, 2 50 cents, and if we have 3 50 cents, we have so with third 50 cents, we have $1 and 50 cents, and then with a fourth 50 cents, we have $2, and so on. So you try to keep on counting until you reach the value of $16. And for question number 12, so we have two $100. So that means we have $200, and then we have 5. So instead of doing the addition, I would suggest you to do the skip counting starting from 200. So 200 and then 220. So this is the first $20 note, and then 240 the second $20 note, and so on. You try to find out the total value of the two $100 notes and the 5 $20 notes, and we want to try out how many $50 note that we can exchange for. So here you should come up with the total value for this part. Let's say we give it a name A, and then we do the skip counting here. 50, 100, 150, up to the point that we reach A. Then we can figure out the number of $50 notes that we need. And for question 15, so we have 40 $10 notes. So once again, we have to do the skip counting, and we have to do quite a bit because we have 40 in total. 10, 20, 30, so it should be up to 400, and you'll have to count to make sure that when we are up to 400, there should be 40 $10 notes. And then so this is the total value for the 40 $10 notes, and then you do the skip counting for the $100 notes. 100, 200, 300, 400. There, they have the same amount, and I will let you figure out how many $100 notes that you can exchange for. So that's it for today. I will see you later. Goodbye.